Okay, here's the problem statement in question 9 of the exercise. Arun bought a pair of skates at a sale where the discount given was 20%. If the amount he pays is rupees 1600, find the marked price of the pair of skates. So we don't know the marked price, but we know that there is a 20% discount on the marked price, and as a result, Arun ended up paying rupees 1600 for the skates. So we have to find the original or the marked price of the skates. So that is the problem. And there are two slightly different ways to solve this problem. One is using the unitary method and one is using an equation approach. Let me show you both approaches. So first, let's do the unitary method approach. Okay, so in this approach, let's write out the marked price and the discounted price. Let's form a relation between these two. So the discounted price and the marked price. Okay, let's figure out the relation between these two prices. So there is a discount of 20% given to us, given on the sale, which means that if the marked price is rupees 100, then the discounted price will be rupees 80 because you will have a discount of rupees 20. Or said another way, this means that a discounted price of rupees 80 means a marked price of rupees 100, which means that a discounted price of rupees 1 means a marked price of rupees 100 by 80, and this means that a discounted price of rupees 1600, which is what is given to us, a discounted price of rupees 1600 means a marked price of rupees 100 by 80 into 1600. Okay, and this expression tells us what the marked price is for a discounted price of 1600, and what is this equal to? So 1600 by 80 is equal to 20. 20 into 100 is 2000, so rupees 2000. So a discounted price of rupees 1600 means a marked price of rupees 2000, and this means that the marked price of the pair of skates was rupees 2000. So that's the answer. Let's arrive at the same answer using an equation approach this time. So in this approach, we will assume that the unknown, which is the marked price of the skates, is rupees X. So marked price is, let's say, assume this is rupees X. So X is the unknown. We have to find the value of X. Now the discount percentage is 20%. So this means that the discount amount, let's calculate the discount amount on the skates. How much will this be equal to? This will be equal to 20% of rupees X, or 20 by 100 into rupees X, and this is equal to 0.2x. So rupees 0.2x. So this means that the selling price of the skates will be cost price or the marked price minus the discount, right? And this will be equal to rupees X minus the discount, which is rupees 0.2x, or this is equal to rupees 0.8x. So this is the selling price, the price at which the skates were sold. But we also know that this skates were sold at rupees 1600. So this selling price rupees 0.8x should be equal to rupees 1600. And this means that 0.8x is actually equal to 1600. And from here we can find the value of X. X is equal to 1600 by 0.8, and 1600 by 0.8 is 2000. So once again we arrive at the same answer, that the marked price rupees X is actually rupees 2000. So the answer to this question is that the marked price of the pair of skates is rupees 2000. To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.